Way too much shaving cream.
There's no much glue for Will. There's no more glue for Will. I don't know if it's gonna be slime.
It's gonna be fluffy slime. It's gonna be very fluffy. It's gonna be very
Well,
sticky
he didn't
slime.
finish his blue. You can see if you get anything out of that. But okay. I don't know.
Guys, when do you think I should go with my hands?
I'm getting some out of it. I'm getting some out of it. Yay!
Oh,
Guys, it's turning into slime.
Mine's turning into slime. Like,
Mine.
if you look at mine,
Guys, if you look at
it's turning
mine,
into slime.
mine's turning into slime.
Hannah's is really cool because I think it's like white slime, and that's pretty cool.
I got some more
Yeah, and I got
blue
slime
slime out of it.
Okay, you can pause
Should I
now,
pause?
and then we'll do a slime.
Okay,
Hold on.
guys.
Okay.
Tell me when to go.
Go.
Okay, guys. So this is the finished product. So mine came out really good. It's really stretchy and it's really pokey. Yeah. So that is the consistency, and it's not sticky at all. It's like not sticking to my hands.
Like when I was mixing it, it was really cool.
Will turn kind of
There's
red.
little
I like
beads.
mine.
Little-
turns slime.
It's green and little sparkles. There might be some
Yeah,
glue
it was-
here somewhere.
But
it's really fun.
All right, what about Cassie's? Because she got some on her arm, too.
I had a little trouble mixing with my arm. Kind of just got all over there. But it's looking pretty good. I mean, it's pretty stretchy. And it's like really glittery. And there's those beads in there that I added. They don't hurt for me. But later we're going to make you guys a video with making our bubbles with, and the poking challenge with our slimes later. So you'll see that video. And we're pretty sure we're going to make another video about this again, or maybe something a little different. But here are our slimes. Mine's really stretchy.
I like the sequence, so it's like shadows come out, and then the beads are like trapped in there.
Really good.
And when I was mixing it, there was
Oh yeah,
like
mine's
glue.
really good
It came out with a whirlpool, and then it was like blue swirls and stuff.
You guys want to sign off?
Let me finish mixing it.
Bye.